Hey everyone, Eric with Auto Replay, actually doing a Copart Walk Around video here in Tallahassee, Florida. Found an interesting Jeep Wrangler. I think it's up about 4,000. So we're going to check it out, see what's going on. Alright, here we go. Man, I can't see nothing in the sun, but it looks like so far this thing is pretty good. Body wise, got some good tread on tires. Yeah, the top looks like it's kind of weathered, but looks like it's all intact. That's the main thing, but you can change those tops out. That's not bad. It's even got a spare. It's got good tread on it. That's cool. So back tires look good. Looks like somebody took care of this thing. You know. So the only damage is actually this fender right here, which that looks like that's an easy fix. So, you know, he probably just replaced that little plastic fender. It don't look like it, the little overhang part doesn't look like it actually messed with the actual fender here. Tire looks okay. You know, let's see if it cranks up and moves. But yeah, man, this is the good stuff you can actually get down here at Copart. You know, check it out. Door panel looks good. Looks like somebody just spilled some Coke or something in there. So that looks fine. $42,000 miles on it. Shoot. Let's see if it's got a good charge up. Odometer looks good. Put the key in it. Man, she cranks right up. It's got a check engine light on it, but see, the AC's good. AC feels cold, so that's good. Yeah, man, this is a good one right here, I think. It's got, feels like it's got a little miss, like the way the engine's shaking a little bit. And I think on these you can actually check the check engine, but might just be a sensor knocked off or something. You know, needs a little gas, but I don't know what that one light means, where the car's made as traction control. I don't know. And I'm gonna put this AC on me, man. Good Lord. But interior looks good. I mean, it might change that rear view mirror out. That looks kind of crazy. But the rest of the seats are in good shape. Everything's roll up, so you ain't got to worry about no power options on this thing. Speakers work. This is very basic. This reminds me of my little Dodge. But yeah, man. Let's see what's going on. Sounds good. Yeah, it looks like somebody took good care of this one. Put it in drive and see. Okay, I got reverse. Let's see if it'll go. Yeah, it goes in drive. It goes in reverse, man. This thing, and it looks like it's a 4-wheel drive too. Huh. This is probably a good one, man. I'll probably bid on this and fix this little thing. This would be an easy little flip, man. You get it for the right price. It's at 4,000 right now, so yeah, we have to see. So here's a Chevy Cruze, man. It looks like a little super turbocharger right here. Engine shaking. Got 150,000 miles on it. Sounds like it's got a vacuum leak. For sure, somewhere. That might be more work than anything. Yeah, she cranked right up. Got the AC on, but man, it is hot as hell in here. Check engine lights on. You know, cut that off. Everything else seems functional. It goes in drive. goes in reverse, but the AC does not work at all. I mean, unless it's just not on, but it is hot as hell in here. Everything else seems like it works. Window works probably. Yeah, all that works good. Important stuff. You know, it needs a good cleaning. I mean, you get it for a couple $100, it might be worth it. I mean, the body looks good, you know, all the way around. But the engine sounds terrible. Sounds like it's got a miss. So, yeah, man, may pass on this. Looks like the rims are curved up right there pretty bad. Or at least somebody probably won't care, but door's off right there. I wonder if this thing's been in an accident. Got junk in the trunk. Yeah, that's fine, but worried about that noise. You can probably hear it. Yeah, it's definitely got some engine issues. I'm gonna crank her up real quick. She'll go, just something's wrong with the engine. It's chugging. You put it in gear, probably cut off. Yeah, this is a pass. So everyone, see, I got my mask on. You gotta have a mask and you gotta have a yellow vest to go to Copart. I walked in there with an orange one from construction site, and she was like, no, you gotta have a yellow one. I was like, so they were nice enough to actually give me one here. So that was cool. I appreciate that. I mean, it's like 3 o'clock. It's so hot here. It's probably like 9,800 degrees outside, and I really wanted to just kind of see what was going on. There's like nobody here looking at cars. There's just people just moving cars in and out here in Tallahassee, so there's nobody really walking around looking at them. And I did see one that I'd be interested in buying if I had the money. Right now I got money tied up in everywhere else, and I'm working so hard. I actually got to go back to another job for my normal work and my normal business, so I don't have time. I got a call as soon as I walked in this place. I was like, oh man, I just got here and I need to go run back to the other side of town. But you know, there's you know, some good deals to be had. You gotta look at them, man. You got to come out, you gotta look at them, you gotta put them in dry, you gotta put them in reverse, you gotta check all the windows, you gotta check the oil, you gotta check, I mean, there's a lot of things you gotta check. And I enjoy looking around, but I'll have to come back when it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, when it's just not as hot, as I'm over here sweating balls, and I got to go look at something else. So you know, it's a very short Copart walk around. I didn't really want to spend a lot of time out there. Didn't really see a lot of things that would be worth putting on the video, besides a couple things, but there's only one that I'd be interested in actually buying. You know, so you know, let me know what you think about the short Copart walk around video, and you know, if y'all want to see more like this to the channel, I may end up spending like, you know, an hour out here. I just got to get a better list and have a better game plan of where all the cars are located in the sale area, so I could walk through it and show y'all, and then, you know, kind of go through there. And then, you know, I'm gonna have to come early in the morning when I have some time. Right now I'm pressed for time, but you know, I'll talk to y'all in the next one.